Hi, and I welcome you all for the today's session 1 in Unit 3 of Understanding of Scanning Process. Let us see the topic which I am going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss about scanning. What are scanners, what type of scanners and functions of scanners, and along with some multiple choice questions we will study about this. Now we will see the one by one. What is scanning? Scanning is the process of converting images into digitization. It means whatever may be the originals converted into soft copy. Hard copy into soft copy is called digitization. The main aim of the digitization stages capture all the information from the original that will be needed to be for reproduction. The basic elements of a scanning functions similar to our eyes. The optical system to focus a light onto the image plane so that it can capture the images. Then we have light sensitive receptors. The image capturing whatever may be the data that may convert it into electronic signals through the light sensitive receptors. It sends the captured image details to the final output. Filters are used to adjust the spectral sensitivity, even color balance we may call it as. In this, normally we have 3 color channels. Each color channels will be separately captured. Next, scanner. It is an electronic device which captures the informations of the originals, convert those images into a digital form for photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, and similar source for computer editing and displays. Even the printed images or the images, even writing or even transparencies, sometimes we may call it as X-rays also, translate these images into digital information and sends the data to the computer system for processing, storage and even usage. And further, if they want again and again usage, you can make it. Scanners comes in different types. One is handheld scanner, another one is feeding, the flatbed and the black and white color scanner. So even drum type also it may come. Very high resolution scanners are used for scanning of high resolution printing. Normally, what we are using is a desktop scanners which can be used for home purposes, a normal purpose. For the printing purpose, it should be high resolution scan and which captures the high quality pixels of the images. The low quality scanners can be used to capture the image which can be used for web applications or computer displays, not for the printing. Scanners are usually attached with our personal computers with a small computer system interface which may call as SCSI. And applications such as Photoshop use the Twin program to read the images. Normally the scanners comes with their own softwares which captures with their own software, otherwise which may support for a photo application software such as Photoshop which can use for Twin programs to read the images. Some major manufacturers scanners includes, for example, Epson, HP, Microtech and Samsung. Different types of scanners. One is flatbed scanner, as we have already told. Second one is sheet-fed scanners, handheld scanners and drum scanners. The flatbed scanner, also called as a desktop scanners, are the most versatile and commonly used scanner in the present day. The sheet feed scanners are similar to the flatbed scanner, except the document is moved and the scanner head is immovable, it is fixed. A sheet feed scanner looks a lot like a small portable printers. Then we have handheld scanners. This is one of the portable scanner. Basic technology is based on the flatbed principles. It is rarely on the user to move them instead of motorized belt. In the motorized belt, what will happen while scanning? The light will move from one end to another end. But in handheld scanner, it is portable, and to move the scanning process, we have to move the scanner from whichever the images is required. This is how it will works. Similarly, it is a typical good image quality is not possible in this, but it can capture some pixels of an image, and quickly it can capture the text and color images. Next, we have drum scanners, which is used in the printing and publishing industry to capture the detailed images, which can be help for a good quality of output in printing industry. The technology based on PMT. PMT stands for Photo Multiplier 2. In a PMT, the document to be scanned is mounted on a glass cylinder. Instead of kept in a flattened form, it should be kept it in a cylindrical form. The substrate has to be fixed. At the center of the cylinder is the sensors, splits the light bounce to the documents into 3 beams. Even the beam sends through the color filter to the photo multiplier tool, where the light is changed into electrical signals. Next, we will see about the functions of scanners. The scanner will function. It can capture the color images. It can capture the advanced photo system, for example, slides. Next, OCR. OCR is the optical character recognition. The typed matter, whichever is scanned, that may converted as an editable form, is called optical character recognition. Next, we have the law function is redigitizing the scanner. The converted digital copy into again converted as digitization is called redigitization process. That is also possible. These are the functions of scanner. The basic principles of scanner is to analyze an image and process it some way. Images and text captures allow you to save the information to a file on your computer. Later it can be used and it can be editable is also possible. We can then alter and enhance the image and print out or use it for the web pages is also possible. Let us see the multiple choice question. Dash is the process of converting the images into digitization. The options are idea, imaging, scanning, and none of the above. Already we have discussed in a scanner, whatever may be the versions converted for digitization for further reproduction process. So this is the clue to answer this question. Next, scanning functionality similar to the dash. Options are I, idea, photo, and none of the above. Scanner will, for example, I, if you take it as I, where it is in, what it will do, whatever it will see, it captures the image and sends the signals to the brain. This is the function. Then the clue of this answer is also, question answer is also, this is the clue. Idea is what? It created in the brain, which captured the images from the whatever it took from the eye, that can be converted as your ideas. A scanner is a device that captures and converts the images or text into digital form, whether the statement is true or false. The clue is, to answer this question, normally the scanners convert a hard copy or soft copy. So this is the clue to answer this question. Next, dash is usually attached to your personal computer with a small computer system interface. Normally printer or some other scanner, some other handling devices may connect it. This is the clue to answer this question. Let us see the options. Network, scanners, pen, and none of the above. Next, a flatbed scanner also called as dash scanners. The options are flat scanners, handheld scanners, desktop scanners, and none of it. Normally, the flatbed scanners comes in a portable form, so it can be kept anywhere and easy to handle and easy to travel. This is the clue to answer this question. Next, dash are used by the publishing industry to capture the incredible detailed images. Normally, the desktop scanners are produce a low quality images. To get a high quality images which can be used in a printing or a publishing industry, the scanner should capture the high quality pixels of the images. Now you got the answer to this question with I have given the clue also. High quality pictures has to be captured. So normally CCD is not possible. CCD capturing device. In this we will use a P portable multiplayer tube which captures the inch dot by dot. In an inch per pixels it will capture the image and produce a high quality output. Next, OCR scanner stats. The options are options character recognition, second one is optical character recognition, third one is optical channel recognition, last one is none of the above. The optical character recognition comes with the device itself, which captures the written, instead of written typed matter as scanned and converts it for the further editing in a system. After that you can store it in the system. So without an optical sensor it cannot capture the images. This is the clue to answer this question. A character may be called as text, it may be capture text or it may be capture the images or anything. And I thank you all once again.